Well, abusuafo quite surprising. Names be Mexico, Kumasi Asante Kotoko squad yekoshia Accra folk no edikan abeto abonten. Na a strong squad. Notable names be mixing. Kalu Atara in the squad no. And Dalad Ibrahim so according to squad yensa Canada unim sa last minute change beba na yehu Dalad umudia emre ene beche, but for the squad yensa canon Moses Poate and Frederick Asare. So what it means, they say likely that Frederick Asare and a bit started in the gold post for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So Frederick Asare, Moise Poate, Nana Benin, Sheriff Mohammed, Nuruddin Yusuf, Henry Ansu, Richmond Lamte, Michael Che Jamina, Andrew Sinti Menu, Sheriff Mohammed midfielder, Justice Blay, Baba Yaya. So and yawo Isaac upon Neymar, Eric Zeze, Enoch Morrison, John Tedekua bounce back, Adesa Prince, Stephen Mukwala, Peter Amidu Aqua, and Rocky Jamina. Yes, so this is the squad Abitoja Omo ene Kofi Kumasi Asante Kotoko against a crowd of folk or Baba Yara Sports Stadium quickly. I mean some first squad no Emma Obium, Moise Poate, Frederick Asare, Nana Benin Amwa, Sheriff Mohammed, Nuruddin Yusuf, Henry Ansu, Richmond Lamte, Michael Che Dramana, Andrew Sinti Menu, Sheriff Mohammed midfielder, Justice Blay, Baba Yaya, Isaac Opon Neymar, Eric Zeze, Enoch Morrison, John Tediku, Adesa Prince, Stephen Mukwala, Peter Amidu, and Rocky Jamina. This is the squad Abeto Abontia. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Erikwaku Fesi, Accra Sufuk, Nyambwa Echina, Ewo, Baba Yara Sports Stadium, a house of folk neighbor home. But game the cost of Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Gate fees no 20, 40, 70, and 100. Ubet me at Wafaho, na Waku Hebi. And a Kotoko virtual seats no so, Koswa. Oh, Kotoko supporter now in Ghana. Still now, obit me actually odo. Na wako Kotoko Facebook page no so. Virtual seats no. Koso obefa short code no. Na wadale. Na Kotoko so enya kakra gufutum against Accra folk. A big game. A soccer Christmas. For Kotoko ne has games the son you describe no. Go into the game. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. At the 7th or 19 points. And Accra folk that 8th or 16 points. So Accra folk we no cry na still na Kotoko is somehow will be tied with them in terms of points, but on the league log no I don't know whether we are going to use head to head or for now goal difference and a bit determined. So that's fact kakra all concerning this all important game ebekoso nyame adoma echina the full comprehensive report about the game ebebro ewofi ampacho unsubscribe ya wadarama no abo red subscribe atem no so wa hiti adoma no so ama era se so de midi kaso